Are you looking for the top 5 best air coolers beat the heat? How much should you actually spend on an air cooler? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Drio Tower Fan. The Drio Tower Fan immediately stands out with its sleek design and impressive features. Priced at $79.99, it offers a powerful upgraded DC motor that catches your eye. If you want a fan that delivers serious airflow while keeping the noise down, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With wind speeds reaching up to 28 feet per second, it can project air effectively across your room, making it perfect for those hot summer days when you want to feel that breeze. It operates at a whisper-quiet 20 decibels, so you can work, sleep, or relax without distractions. Plus, it boasts 8 speeds and 4 different modes to customize your comfort, all easily controlled via a remote. With over 70,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many buyers are satisfied. Now, some people complained about its height being a bit less than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a bedroom or smaller space, it really does the job without taking up too much room, so it's a minor flaw that shouldn't overshadow its benefits. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, powerful fan for your bedroom or living room. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional fan style. Given its performance, the price is pretty reasonable. Now, if the Drio's height bothered you, this next one takes. Product number 2, Levoit Tower Fan. Next up is the Levoit Tower Fan, priced at $74.99. Right off the bat, its stylish white finish and innovative airflow design caught my attention. If you want a fan that mimics natural breezes while being efficient, this might be your go-to. This fan features a unique multi-blade design that creates a soft, soothing breeze, achieving wind speeds of 25 feet per second and 1,044 CFM airflow, ideal for larger spaces. It offers 90-degree oscillation to cover more ground. The smart temperature sensor adjusts airflow based on your room's temperature, ensuring you won't feel overheated or chilled. Plus, at a quiet 28 decibels, it's perfect for nighttime use. With around 50,000 units sold this past month, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users mentioned the remote could be more responsive. I'll be real with you, while it can be a bit frustrating, the fan's performance and comfort features still make it worth considering. This is perfect if you want a fan that adapts to your environment with smart features. Skip this if you're looking for something without techie bells and whistles. For the price, you're getting a solid fan. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be
Product number 3, Drio Adjustable Fan. Coming in next is another Drio fan, this time their adjustable fan, priced at $69.94. Right away, I was impressed with its ability to circulate air up to 90 feet away. If you want a fan that can really cover a whole room, this is worth a serious look. This fan's advanced airflow tech circulates air at an impressive 1,000 CFM, making it a powerhouse for cooling down larger areas quickly. It features 8 speeds and a unique auto mode that adjusts the fan speed based on the room's temperature. Plus, the 20 decibel noise level means it won't disrupt your peace. It also has a detachable design for easy cleaning, which is a bonus for maintaining hygiene. With 30,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction. Now, some customers found the height adjustment a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you can easily customize the height to suit your needs, making it a minor hassle in my opinion. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that provides robust air circulation for larger spaces. Skip this if you need a fan that's compact and easy to move.
Product number 4, Drio Bladeless Fan. Next on the list is the Drio Bladeless Fan, also priced at $79.99. Its sleek design and bladeless technology immediately caught my attention. If you want a stylish fan that doesn't compromise on performance, this one deserves your attention. This fan uses turbo wind technology to achieve wind speeds of up to 28 feet per second, ensuring it delivers a powerful airflow without the traditional blades. It's designed to be ultra quiet at just 20 decibels, which makes it perfect for late night use. Plus, it has 8 speeds and 4 modes, allowing you to customize your cooling experience easily.
The 90-degree oscillation ensures it cools large areas effectively. With 10,000 units sold recently, it's a popular choice among buyers. However, some users have mentioned that the price feels a bit steep for a bladeless option. I'll be honest, while it is pricier, the quiet operation and modern design can justify the cost for many users. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that looks great and works quietly. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. Given its performance and design, it's a worthwhile investment. And now, if you liked the Drio's features but want something a little more budget-friendly, here.
Product number 5, Levoit Classic Tower Fan. Finally, we have the Levoit Classic Tower Fan, priced at just $56.99. Right away, its functional design caught my eye, especially for those looking for an affordable yet effective cooling solution. If you want a reliable fan that won't break the bank, this is a solid choice. This fan offers a wind speed of 25 feet per second and 1,062 CFM airflow, providing efficient cooling for any room. It features 90-degree oscillation to ensure even air distribution, and it's equipped with smart sensors that adjust airflow based on the temperature. At just 28 decibels, it's also whisper quiet, making it great for bedrooms. With over 9,000 units sold recently, it's definitely gaining popularity. However, some users reported that the build quality feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing. While it may not feel as sturdy as some pricier models, it still delivers decent performance for the price. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly fan that gets the job done. Skip this if you're looking for premium features. For the price, it's a fantastic value. So to wrap it all up, we covered some impressive options today. The Drio models offer powerful airflow, while the Levoit fans bring smart...
So to wrap it all up, we covered some impressive options today. The Drio models offer powerful airflow, while the Levoit fans bring smart technology and affordability into the mix. Depending on your needs, any of these could be a great choice for staying cool this summer.